Yeah, so in this video, we're going to design a training management system, and we're going to have columns. So we're going to have the name, we're going to have the name column, we have the trainee ID column, we have the program, we have the fees, and we have the attendance. We have the attendance. Yeah. So So for the purpose of privacy, we're going to delete the name column because it is not to display people's name on in a public worksheet. So I'm going to delete this column. So I'm going to have trainee ID. So I'm going to use like TRA and maybe like 001. Yeah. So I need like 30 names. Yeah, so this is training. Then in the program, I'm going to add, I want to use data validation. So next thing I'm going to do is to create a list. So I can come here and add my programs PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Now add Word, Excel, Photoshop, and Pro. Yeah, Premiere Pro. So I'll come here and create a list. I want to come here and create a list. So I'll click on this place and click on the data validation. Then I'll click on list. Then I'll come here. This is where I want to select my list. Yeah. Then you click OK. So it will come here and be fetching it. Yeah. So I can drag this down. Then you start selecting. It's a Word. And this one can be Excel. This one can be Excel. This one can be Photoshop. This one Premiere Pro. I just put it at random. Excel. Word. This is Excel. Photoshop. Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro. Photoshop. Word. Excel. Photoshop. Excel. Yeah, Premiere Pro. Then I want to add the fees. I want to add the fees. Like if you look at your PowerPoint, I want it to be $100. PowerPoint is $100. Excel is $80. Then Excel is Word is $80. Then Excel is $150. Photoshop is $200. Then Premiere Pro is $350. $350. So I want to use if function here. So if I'm going to use the if function, if PowerPoint, if B2 is equals to PowerPoint, write PowerPoint, is equals to PowerPoint, then the value will be $100. Then if B2 if B2 is equals to Word, then the value is $80. if B2 is equals to Excel, the value should be $150. If B2 is equals to Photoshop, I'll put it in double quotation, then value should be $200. If B2 is equals to, if B2 is equals to Premiere Pro, value should be $350. Bracket plus, press enter. Okay, I think there is an error in my formula. Okay, let me remove the dollar sign. I think there is an error here. Press enter. Yeah, so if I use the autofill, drag it down. Yeah, I can format it, come here and add the dollar sign. Where is the currency? Okay, the currency is okay, let me look for USD. Okay, let me look for any of the dollar. USD. Okay, yeah, I've added the dollar. Then another thing I want to do is on demand for this. As you can see here, these programs are fetched from here, so I can decide to add another one, like let me add another software like WordPress. If I want to add another training like WordPress training, so I can come here on the data validation and increase it. Yeah, I can come here and increase it to, yeah, I can come here and increase it to, yeah, then I'll click OK. So when you click here, find out WordPress is there. Yeah, so you can actually add WordPress to it. Yeah, WordPress to it. This is not available because there is no price for WordPress. So you can come here and add a price for WordPress. You can add $250 and a price for WordPress. Then we'll come here and add more if B2 is equals to WordPress. Then the price is 250. It's 250. Yeah. I'll press enter. Get it now. So I can come here. And add, make it to 35 here. Okay, because WordPress was not covered here, so that's why you won't see it. So here also do an autofill here. Yeah, so this is PowerPoint, this is Excel, this is Photoshop, this is Premiere Pro, this is have I added Word, have I added Excel, have I added PowerPoint. Yeah, so I can drag this down. Yeah, so this everything here is at random. Use autofill, yeah. So the attendance, I want to create an attendance. So there are three levels of this is program fee. Then I want to create an attendance. So we have four levels of attendance. We have on demand, we have in person, we have virtual, and we have hybrid. Yeah, hybrid. So I want to create a list for this. So I'll go to data validation, and I'll create lists, and I'll come here. These are my four lists. I'll click OK. So I have it in person. Yeah. So here I can make it virtual. I can make it virtual. I can make it on demand. Here I can make it in person. Here can be on demand, in person, virtual, hybrid. Yeah. So I can use this and drag it down. This is how you design a trainee management system. So if you want, you can put this in a table. You can put this in a table, home, insert. Yeah, you can put this in a table. If you want, you can put this in a table. Yeah. So this is it. And we can start analyzing. Let's say we want to find out the number of people that did the hybrid. Yeah, we can decide to filter our data. So these are the people that did hybrid, and decide to filter our data. These are the number of people that did in person. Yeah. So we can put the total rows here. We can put total rows. We can put this is sum. Yeah. We can also put sum here. Yeah. This is sum. Okay, this one can be counts. Yeah. Put count here. So in person is 11. The fees they paid is 2,000. $2,900 and the 11. Yeah, you can also remove these clear filters. You want to know people that paid for PowerPoint. Yeah, how much you're going to make from PowerPoint. Yeah, so I think from WordPress, this is from Word. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. So thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.